In this tutorial, we're converting a Canva UI design into a Jetpack Compose application. First, I designed all the assets in Canva and exported the required items, such as images, icons, and UI elements. Then I imported these assets into my Jetpack Compose project and started building the UI screens. I also added simple animations and click effects to make the UI more interactive and realistic. This is the final ReWear shopping app built by converting Canva designs into Jetpack Compose UI. The app starts with a splash screen, followed by onboarding screens that introduce the main features. Users can sign up for a new account or log in to an existing one. After login, they are taken to the home screen where they can browse products. By selecting a product, users can view its details and add it to their cart. The cart screen allows them to review their items and proceed to checkout. After completing the checkout process, an order success screen confirms that the order has been placed successfully. From the home screen, users can access their wish list, shopping cart, and profile. Quick tip: bringing modern Android shopping experiences to life with Jetpack Compose. Thanks for watching. Explore the full series on our channel.